everyone. So my name is Prerna और
तुम्हारे लिए बस इतना ही जानना काफी है। बिना कोई फालतू के इंट्रोडक्शन के एंड ना कोई ड्रामा करते हुए मुद्दे पे आते हैं।
dermatology research says that your skin repair itself the most between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. and this is the topic of this video. If you are not using the night serum during this time, you are missing your skin biggest recovery window. Your skin does repair fascinating every night while you sleep. Most of the people unknowingly block this process. Dermatology research says that your skin become more receptive to the active ingredients at night. And if you wake up with a dull skin, uneven texture and the fine lines that seems to appear overnight, the problem is actually in your skin routine, or I will say your night routine. I have divided this video into 5 parts. It's very short and crisp, but before moving to all 5 parts, please channel को subscribe कर दो. वैसे भी तुम्हारी फीड इतनी अच्छी है, एक और अच्छी वीडियो आ जाएगी. बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए and please share and like this video. Part 1. What happens to your skin at night? So during the day, your skin is in the defense, constantly fighting with environmental stressors like UV exposures, pollution, oxidative stress, dirt and bacteria. At night, however, your skin switches to the repair mode. So scientific study shows that during sleep, your cell regeneration increases. Blood flow to the skin improves. Collagen production becomes more active. And damage from the day starts repairing. So this means that your skin actually become more receptive to these active ingredients. That's exactly night serums are designed for it. To work during this window. Part 2. Why serums are more effective than creams? Serums are different than moisturizers. They contain high concentration of active ingredients and smaller molecular structure. This allows them to penetrate deeper into the skin faster and work more efficiently during this repair period. It delivers the target area. Moisturizer mainly lock hydration. Part 3. Benefits of using night serum. 1. It accelerates your skin repair. Night serums often contain the ingredients like retinols, peptides, niacinamide and hyaluronic These compounds stimulate the cell turnover and collagen to improve the skin texture. Overnight serum help remove dead skin buildups and encourage new cell formation, resulting in a smoother skin, refined pores, and more even texture, speeding up the
skin's natural repair process.
Third, boost hydration at deeper level. Ingredients such as hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times their weight in water. At night, when environmental stress is reduced, hydration ingredients bind the moisture more effectively within the skin. 4. Reduce signs of aging. Night serum containing retinoids peptide that stimulates the collagen production helps to reduce wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin while improving firmness and elasticity. 5. Target specific skin concern. Different night serums are formulated to treat concerns such as hyperpigmentation, acne, dullness and uneven skin tone. Overnight application provides a longer contact time and increasing effectiveness. Part 4. Why nighttime is best for the active ingredients? Certain ingredients works better at night. They make skin sensitive to sunlight. Example, retinol, AHA and BHA. At night reduces the risk of UV related irritations and allow them to function without interference from the environmental stresses. Part 5. How to use this nice serum correctly. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Apply the serum on the slightly damp skin. Use only 2 to 3 drops. Gently press the serum into the skin. You can massage your skin with the facial tool like a gua sha or other tools as well. Follow with the moisturizer to seal it. Consistency is a key and visible results typically appear after 3 to 6 weeks But last I will say, if your skin routine stops just at moisturizer, you might be missing the most important repair window your skin has. So well chosen night serum and turn those 7 to 8 hours into full skin recovery. Bye bye. See you at next time. And if you like this video, please share to your friends, families and relatives. अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब इट. बाय.